Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 9 CBSE Max Polynomial Exercise 2.4 third sum. Let's see the question. Find the value of k. So we need to find k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following case. So they have given that here the p of x are there. X minus 1 is the factor of all the p of x here. By substituting x minus 1 as a factor, we can say that the remainder or by the factor theorem, this will be equal to 0. So while substituting the factor, the final resultant answer will be equal to 0. In that condition, we are going to say that by substituting, we need to say that is equal to 0. So we know that x minus 1 is a factor, then that is equal to 0, then x is equal to plus 1. Minus 1 goes to this side and it becomes plus 1. Now I am going to substitute plus 1 in the cases of first one. P of 1 equal to 1 square plus 1 plus k. As I told before, while substituting, we need to put this is equal to 0. Now here it becomes 1 plus 1 plus k equal to 0. So 2 plus k equal to 0. To find k, bring all the number other than k to the other side. If I bring 2 to this side, k will be equal to minus 2. So my final answer for k is minus 2. We'll move to the second sum. Second sum, p of x, instead of p of x, substitute 1. So 1 is equal to 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. While substituting, as I told before, we need to put equal to 0 because 1 is a factor. The factor means the final solution will be equal to 0. Here this becomes 2 plus k plus root 2 equal to 0. Other than k, bring both the number to this side. So k is equal to minus 2 minus root 2. Plus will go that side as minus. So the final answer for k will be minus 2 and minus root 2 for the sum. We'll move on to the third one. In the third one, it is given that p of x is equal to, instead of p of x, I am going to substitute 1. So k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. Now this here it becomes k minus root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. While substituting, we need to write that is equal to 0. So here k is equal to, other than k, bring everything to the other side, becomes plus minus root 2 will become plus root 2, plus 1 will become minus 1. This is the final answer for the k. So in the third sum, k is equal to root 2 minus 1. We'll move on to the fourth one. In the fourth one, it is given that p of x, that is p of 1, if I substitute k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k is equal to 0. Here it is k minus 3 plus k equal to 0. We can add both k because it is a like term. If I add, it becomes 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. 2k equal to plus 3, k equal to 3 by 2. So k, final answer for k is equal to 3 by 2. That's all with the sum. Thank you.